In this video, I will show you how to send money to Kenya using TapTap Send. So first of all, open up your app and then click on the Home tab, and from here click on Country Search and then just enter Kenya. And once you do that, you will land on this, and there you will see the conversion rate at this moment. And my account is set to euro, so I will see the conversion rate between euro and the Kenyan currency. And then you can just enter the amount that you want to transfer. So let's say 50 euro. Then you can just see what the amount is going to be. And you can also add a promo code, and that is something nice because right now you will get $5 or €5 off your first transfer when you're transferring more than €1. So what you need to do is really simple. You just need to click on add promo code and then just enter this code. So that's JE00910. And when you click on enter, you will redeem your code, and then you will get a $5 or something equivalent to that discount off your next transfer when you're sending more than €1. So feel free to use that. Anyway, let's move on with the video. So we are going to click on next. And after you click on next, you need to add a new recipient, or if you already have one, you can just select them from this list. I don't have any at this moment, so I'm going to click on add new recipient. And now I need to choose the delivery method. So these are local delivery methods based on Kenya. So we have M-Pesa, bank account, and Airtel. I'm just going with bank account, so I'm going to select this. And now we need to fill in the full name, bank name, and the bank account number of my recipient. So make sure that these are matching and that these are their legal name. Otherwise you can get delays in your transfer, and that's something you really want to avoid. So fill in all of the correct details, also the bank name. And again, these are all local banks, so go ahead and select the right one. So let's say we pick this. Then you need to fill in the bank account number and you need to confirm it. And then you can just go ahead and click on next, and then you can confirm this transfer. So that's how you do it. It's pretty easy and straightforward. Thank you for watching. Subscribe.